Hi, welcome back. Today I'm very excited because we're getting ready to write the essay. You have all the skills necessary to write a coherent essay. And if I were correcting it as your teacher, just the structure and sentence structure alone with your guiding topic sentences and supporting sentences, you'd get a B on your first draft. We're not even talking about the second. When you add in your examples, your parts of speech, adjective, adverbs, you're going to be quite a writer. Okay? So let's get started. Take out your writing portfolio and get the 3 skeleton paragraphs that you downloaded. Okay, we're going to need those because to write an essay, you have 3 paragraphs, an intro and a conclusion. That's where you get the 5-paragraph essay. Okay? So, again, with this system, it's amazing because there's no thinking about how to write the introduction. And once you write the introduction, it's a mirrored conclusion. You take that introduction and you spin it around, it becomes your conclusion. Your essay is done. Okay? So let me show you how you're going to use your supporting or your topic sentences from your skeleton paragraphs to write your introduction. Okay? So I'm going to draw the model here. Here's your introduction. Okay? Now, here's one of your skeleton paragraphs. That means topic sentence. And we have 1 through 10. Here's another skeleton paragraph. There's your topic sentence. 1 through 10. Those are your triggers. Another topic sentence. 1 through 10. Right? So, we're going to take each topic sentence and they must be in your conclusion or in your introduction, excuse me. Same topic sentence. That's it. So there's no thinking about what to introduce, okay? And then you're going to take your introduction and move it down here, spin it around, and it becomes what's called a mirror conclusion. And it'll have the same topic sentences in them. Well, as you can see, this is a skeleton essay. And just like we use the skeleton paragraph model to write the paragraph, we're going to use the skeleton essay to write our essay. You're done. Now you're ready for your drafts. That's where your first draft is called the rough draft. Then your second draft, you polish it up. You add in the carrots with the examples, the supporting details, adjectives and adverbs. Okay, you use all of the elements and you write and polish your final draft. And that's what you turn in. And we're there now. We are on the threshold of writing the essay. Let me repeat. All you're going to do from your writing portfolio is take the skeleton paragraphs, take each topic sentence, put it in your introduction. Then you're going to take your introduction, spin it around, it becomes a mirrored conclusion. And they still have the same topic sentences. The important thing is to use the order. If this is first, then you want to state that first. If this is second, then that one needs to be stated second. If this is third, then this one has to be third. When you spin it around, you have to follow the same order. This is first, that's second, and that's third. Those of you who are in elementary school and middle school, you're going to hear the teacher say, when you write an essay, tell them what you're going to tell them, what you're going to talk about, tell them, and then tell them in the conclusion what you talked about. This lends itself to that structure without any thinking. Okay? So, you're going to take your topic sentences from each of the skeleton paragraphs that you downloaded, and then we're going to write an introduction, and then from that introduction, we're going to write a mirrored conclusion. You're ready to write your essay. Okay? So, I'll see you in the next lesson.